Hello and welcome again. Students, my name is Moshmi Rakshit. Today we are going to look at a chapter of EVS from class 4. The name of the chapter is Year to Year and the name of the book is Looking Around. So without further intro, let's back to the chapter Year to Year. So as we know that ear is a sense organ which help us to hear sounds. So talking about sense organs, we humans have 5 sense organs: ears, eyes, nose, tongue, skin. Ears help us to hearing sounds, eyes to see things, nose to smell things, tongue to taste things, and skin to feel things. So students, you have know about the 5 sense organs of a human. Okay? Now in second point, different animals have different kinds of ears. And third, we can identify and categorize them based on their ears. So in today's chapter, we are going to identify and classify animals that how they are different from one another. Let us go to the chapter. So the chapter number 2, Year to Year. Okay. So, are these animals looking funny? For instance, giraffe, it is acting like everything is normal. But we know that these ears are not normal. And this giraffe is definitely looking very funny. The artist has drawn wrong ears on the heads of these animals. Give correct ears to the animals in the space given below. So, for example, elephant has ears of mouse. Similarly, rabbit has, where is rabbit? See, where is rabbit? Here is rabbit. Rabbit has ears of giraffe. Mouse has ears of dogs. Giraffe has ears of elephant. Dog has ears of rabbit. Buffalo has ears of deer. And deer has ears of buffalo. Let's go to the next topic. Students, we have done the first task complete. Different animals have different kind of ears. Among the animals given below, which one have ears that you can see? In which animal can you not see the ears? Write in the table. So here we can see 2 tables are there. In first table, we can write the names of the animals whose ears we can see. And in the second table, we can write the names of the animals which ears we cannot see. So, let us start with the first word. The first word is deer. I have decided to show you pictures of each word for better visual understanding. Let's go one by one. The first word is deer and here is the picture. In this picture, we can see that deer has ears. So we can see, so it comes under table number 1. Table number 1 is animals those ears we can see, and table number 2 is animals which ears we cannot see. Similarly, tiger. Here is the picture of tiger. And we can see the ears. So it goes to the table number. Where? Table number 1. Similarly, the next is pig. Here is the picture. We can see the ears. And it also goes to the table number 1. The next is frog. Here is the picture. We cannot see the ears, so it goes to the table number 2. So, it goes to this table number 2. Then, next is sparrow. Here is the picture of sparrow. We cannot see the ears. See? And it goes to the table number 2. Next is duck. Here is the picture. And we cannot see the ears. So it goes to table number 2. Now, fish. It also doesn't have ears. So it goes to table number 2. Similarly, buffalo also. We can see the ears of buffalo. See, here is the picture of buffalo. And it goes to the table number 1. Then giraffe. I have to zoom it because it is tall. And it has ears. So it goes to table number 1. Then ant. Here is the picture of ant. It doesn't have ears. So it goes to table number 2. Then snake. Here is the picture of snake. It doesn't have ears. It goes to table number 2. Elephant. It has ears. And we can see that. It goes to that yellow box, that is table number 1. Then crow. Here is the picture of crow. And we cannot see the ears, so it goes to table number 2. Then lizard. Here is the picture of lizard. And it doesn't have ears. We cannot see the ears. We cannot see the ears. So it goes to table number 2. So the last one is cat. Here is the picture. We can see the ears. So it goes to table number 1. Do you think that the animals whose ears we cannot see really don't have ears? Students, think about that. Let us observe this picture. In this picture, we can see there is a hen, sparrow, parrot, a duck, a crow, and a frog. Name the animals in the picture. So we have already done that. Question number 2 is, can you see their ears? They all have ears even though we cannot see them. They have ears but we cannot see them. Now in the next page, find out some other animals which have ears that we cannot see. Write their names. These are pigeon, peacock, goose, ostrich and fish, etc. So students, here are the pictures of these birds or animals which I have written in the blanks. So these are the pictures: pigeon, parrot, goose, ostrich and fish. You may have gotten clear idea of this. Read and write. An animal whose ears like fan is elephant. An animal whose ears like leaves. Name the animal. What is it? It's deer. An animal with ears on the top of its head. Name the animal. It's, tell me, rabbit. An animal with ears on both the sides of its head. What is it? It's dog. So in the blanks we can write dog. You know very well that ears help us to hear. In some animals you can see the ears, in some you can't. So you cannot see a bird ears. A bird has tiny holes on both of its sides. Generally the holes are covered with feathers. They help the bird to hear. If you look carefully, you can see a tiny hole on the lizard head. Here are its ears. Here is a picture of a lizard. Here I am showing you as a picture of a lizard. And this is a tiny hole. It's a ear of this lizard. Okay? A crocodile also has ears like this, but we cannot see them easily. Now, moving to the next page, whose skin. Now you know how to recognize animals by their ears. Let us see if we can recognize by their skin. Match the animals shown there with the picture of their skin and make the correct pattern of the skin on the picture of each animal. Here I am going to match the pattern of the correct picture. You may instructed to fill the pattern in this blanks picture. So our first picture of pattern is, what the first picture of pattern is reindeer. Here I match it. Then the second we have done correctly. Second pattern and picture is squirrel. Next one is tiger. See, next strip one is tiger. And next one is leopard. And last one is zebra. So student, our task is completed. The different pattern on the animals are due on to the hair on the skin. Have you ever seen an animal without hair? Those hair have been removed. Imagine how the animals would look if it didn't have any hair on the skin. There would be no patterns. So students, you have to think about it. Think about it basically. Now moving to the next page, here are 4 tables are there. Okay, 4 tables are there. For our convenience, we are giving number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Table 1. Table 1 is name of animals which ears can be seen. Table 3, names of animals which ears cannot be seen. Table 2, name of the animals which have hairs on their skin. And table 4 is name of the animals which has feathers on skin. Let us start with the first word. The first word is fox. So first word is fox, and fox will go where? 1, 2, 3 or 4. The fox will be go in where? The fox will be go in which one, students? The ears of the fox we can see. So it go in number 1, and it has hair on the skin also. So it also go in the number 2. Then we can do similarly on the other animals also. Okay. Then frog. It has ears or not? It has ears, but we cannot see this. And it feathers also. It doesn't have feathers on the skin, and neither has hair on skin. So it can't go through 2 or 4. Okay. Similarly, we all done with mouse, hen, elephant, crow, cat, camel, sparrow, peacock, buffalo, lizard, pigeon, pig, duck, cow. Okay. In which list did you put the cow and the buffalo? From a distance, you can see the hair on the skin. Try to go near one of them. Could you see the hair? If you were to meet an elephant, do you dare to touch it? Do you know that an elephant also has hair on its skin? So, student, I will give a visual of a cow. This is a cow. From this distance, we cannot tell that it has hair on its skin or not. If we go closer or look closer, we can definitely tell it has hairs on its skin. Okay? And similarly, elephants also have hairs on their skin. So, see students, elephants also have hairs on their skin. So students, I have divided the animals into red box and green box. Okay? Can you tell which of the animals mentioned in the list lay eggs? Find out and write the names of these animals in the green box. Which of the animals in the list give birth to babies? Write the name in the red box. So I have divided the animals into red box and green box. In red box, there are animals which give birth to the babies, and in green box, there are names of the animals which lay eggs. So, fox, mouse. So, in red box, fox, mouse, elephant, cat, camel, buffalo, pig, cow. These are animals which are give birth to babies, and on the other hand, in green box, frog, hen, crow, sparrow, peacock, lizard, pigeon, duck. These are animals which lay eggs. Okay, students? So, now coming to the questions, what they have told us. Now look at the table on the previous page. Draw a line under the names of the animals whose names are in the green box. Put a circle around the names of those animals whose name are in the red box. Okay, so what did you note? Those animals, those ears cannot see, have hairs on the bodies. So first one, in the red box, we have to circle it. So first one is, and in green box, we have to underline it. So first one is fox. We have to circle fox. So we have to circle here in red box, we have to circle fox, then mouse, then elephant, cat, camel, buffalo, pig, and cow. And in green box, we have to underline. Okay. So, first one is frog. We have to underline the frog. Then hen. Then crow. We have to underline hen. Crow. Sparrow. Peacock. Lizard. Pigeon. And duck. So students, you have gotten clear idea. Okay. So what did you have note? Those animals whose ears you have seen have hair on their body. These animals give birth to the young ones. And those animals that don't have ears on the outside, don't have hair on the body, these animals lay eggs. Okay. Now moving to the next page. Now moving to the next page, Now on this page, questions related to the personal experience. So you are instructed to write yourself. I am going to read out the question for you. The question number 1. Have you seen animals around your house or school that have small babies? Write their names in your notebook. Have you ever kept a pet? Does anyone you know keep a pet? Find out more about the pet. Which animal it is? Does it have a name? What it is? Okay. Then who gave it this name? What does it like to eat? How many times is it given food? Now moving to the next question. When does it sleep? Now, how many times a day it is given food? When does it sleep? For how long does it sleep? Is there any special way to look after this animal, and how? Does it get angry? If yes, when? When do you know? It's to look after means to take care. Okay? And how? And does it gets angry? If yes, then when? Do you know? It is how it's get angry. The next question, does it have hair or feathers on the skin? The next, can you see its ears? Is it a baby or young animal or a full grown animal? Will this pet animal lay eggs or give birth to babies? Does it have young ones? So students, I am expecting you to this homework, and you will be give me through WhatsApp. Okay. Now next question is, draw a picture of this animal and color it and give it a name of your own choice. Okay. Now moving to the next page. Moving to the next page, and you were doing this question as a homework. Moving to the next page, see, look at this picture, color the parts which have give even number 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. What do you see? Find out the name of the animal. So we have to first color the even numbers. So we have colored it. Let's do the color. Okay. We are doing the colors. See, even numbers we have to color only. Even numbers we have to color. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 14, 18, 20. Okay, we have to color. So we have done coloring. This is a dinosaurus. Okay. So many years ago there were dinosaurs on earth, but not many more. Now we see them in films, photos and books. Find out more about dinosaurs and share with your friends. Have you seen any animal that look like dinosaurs? Do its name? Find out from your elders. This is an animals which look like a small dinosaurs. Okay, students. So its name starts with small dinosaurs. It looks like small dinosaurs, and its name its name starts with H and end with S. Write down its name in the comment section below. You can also write the name of other animals which look like dinosaurs. Okay. So moving to the next page, this is the last page of this chapter. Here is an activity is given to you. You can make a paper bird by following steps showing in the picture. So try it. It will be a great fun to you. So student, please try at your home. Okay. So look at this animal. Write its name. Do you know that this is our national animal? Where does it live? The number of these animals are going down in India. Discuss why this could be happening. As you all know, it's a tiger, and let us know more about more about a tiger. Here I am giving another notes of tiger, more about tiger. First one is tiger is Indian national animal, and tiger are the largest cat species in the world, reaching up to 3.3 meter, about 11 feet in length, and weighing up to 670 pounds, 304 kilogram. To get an idea how big this animal grow, here are some visual of tiger. Okay, these visuals I have to show to you. These visuals are here. These visuals are of Siberian tiger. Siberian tiger are the largest tiger in the world. See how big the tiger is. This is a still picture of Siberian tiger. The next point is tiger are easily recognizable with the dark vertical strips and reddish orange fur. See that vertical strips are there. Here are the vertical strips and orange fur. The next is adult tigers generally live alone. Tiger live between 20 to 26 years in the wild, means jungle. The next, cubs are born blind and open their eyes 1 to 2 weeks after birth. Cubs start learning to hunt at 6 months of age, but stay with their moms until they are about 18 months old. They are decreasing in India because of their natural habitat. Because of deforestation, they are decreasing day by day. Okay. So, moving to the next topic, next point. So, here is the last point of about tiger is tiger. The Bengal tiger is the most common tiger. It is most common tiger in the world. The Bengal tiger. Here is the picture of the Bengal tiger I am giving you. You get an clear idea of Bengal tiger. So you can get a clear idea about tiger. I hope you have learned about new things today. You have to complete all the fill in the blanks activity from the chapter as you homework, and after that send this photo to me for assessment. With that, let's conclude today's video. I will be there in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep enjoying. God bless you all. Bye, students.